On the issue of Starbucks stores, there are about 20,000 of them now, an
Yes.
incredible number. How many is there room for in the world?
We used to many years ago put a big number out there, trying to predict what it may be. We've stopped doing that now because I think we've come to realize that number. First of all, I don't know what it is. What we've learned is our market opportunity has grown as the years has gone by. We're nowhere near saturation. Even in a place like the U.S., where we have the most stores of any other market in the world, we are accelerating our new store development. We have very powerful same-store sales growth here, which tells us that there is demand for what we have to offer well beyond the store count we have today. So what's the final number? I don't know, but it's a lot more than what we have today.
The stock has done extremely well. Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that. It does mean that investors are counting on a lot of growth from Starbucks in
Yes.
the future. Where's it going to come from?
We have, since the difficult days of 2008, 2009, we've slowed growth down for a period of time and really re-architected our global growth strategy. We quickly, about 2 years later, returned to growth as a company in a very meaningful way, but much healthier, much more diversified growth now. Our fastest growing part of the world is in the China, Asia Pacific region, where our business is fantastic. It's growing rapidly, both in terms of same-store sales through the existing portfolio of stores, but also the fastest development of new stores we have anywhere in the world is in China and the Asia Pacific region.
And what about outside the store?
That's a very important part of our strategy. There was a point in our history where we were very content as a company to be the premium operator of Starbucks stores anywhere, first in the US, and then we've rapidly grew around the world. In recent years, we've just very strategically recognized the huge opportunity we have to engage with our customers anywhere that they might experience coffee and tea and the products that we have. That has positioned us to really build a very meaningful business outside of the Starbucks store. In food service, in a CPG business, that is in a position now where we have huge hopes for how big that can grow for us in the future.
The company has also made some fairly high-profile acquisitions, the
Yes.
Evolution Fresh Juice business and the Teavana business. Already has hundreds of stores around the U.S. They'll continue to be branded that way, I gather.
Yes.
Since they won't have the Starbucks brand, what do you bring to that business?
What's important about that acquisition for us is, first of all, Starbucks has had a long heritage and history in tea. Tea was in the original name of the company, Starbucks Coffee, Tea, and Spices. And yet what we saw in Teavana is a chance to bring into our family a depth of capability around tea sourcing and blending and a beautiful portfolio of 300 or so Teavana stores. What Starbucks can bring to that then is our expertise around beverage innovation, around store design, around site selection, around operations, and really work with that Teavana team to create what is the reimagined version of Teavana going forward.